We're going to bike ride through the northern Maryland countryside on a rail trail among horse farms, tiny villages, and a really tiny village of gnomes. So rumor tells us that Justin Bieber is off this trail too. So let's go riding.
We're biking on the Torrey C rail trail today. It's about 21 miles of crushed stone. It goes along the Gunpowder River. It's fairly flat. Go a little further, it goes into Pennsylvania.
This is a rail trail, and the railroad used to run along this route. Abraham Lincoln took the train to Pennsylvania to give the Gettysburg Address. And also, as we're riding along this trail, you'll see these white signs with W's, and that helped the train engineer determine to blow his whistle before he was going to cross over a road.
Does W mean whistle?
I don't know. But I do know there's just a sequence of whistles. Woo! 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 This town dates back to 1600, and it was established by Thomas Braywood back then. So there's a reason why I tell you this story, because Thomas Braywood was the Bernie Madoff of the 1700s. He was a fraudster on an epic scale, and he was living in England. He was involved in a huge financial scandal that rocked England. He was jailed. However, he was able to negotiate his debt with his creditors, and then he got a pardon. So the story doesn't end there. So he decides to pack up his belongings in England and come to Maryland, where he becomes a successful land manager, establishes a town called Monkton, and restores his reputation.
What do you think this is?
It's an old mill. Have you seen Justin Bieber yet?
Heading north, there's a lot of rock formations along the path.
And I heard that they're 1 billion years old.
Whoa.
How do they test a rock and say that rock is 1 billion years old?
Do they cut open and count the rings?
Yes, maybe that's what they do.
Look, there's your medicinal water.
The magical water that's going to heal my entire body from all my bike pains.
I'll let you try it first. Are you actually drinking it?
I'm healed! I'm healed!
Okay, now we can ride farther.
We have not encountered Justin Bieber yet. He's supposed to be on this trail. Do you know Maryland's official sport?
It has to be cycling.
You'd think. I don't know why, but it is jousting.
Jousting?
Yep, jousting. The goat farm. Goat milk, goat cheese. Oh my God, there's a lot of goats. This is definitely much more narrow. It looks like we're in Switzerland. The antique store. All right, we're coming up to the next small village.
We're gonna whistle so cars don't hit us.
Yes, here we go. Woo, 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 woo! We are looking for Justin Bieber. We're coming up to the Gnome village. Oh my gosh.
Gnome Hill.
Gnome Hill. Okay, we're having a little competition here. We're gonna say who can come up with the most gnome phrases. First one. It's too bad if I had only known.
Hanging out with my gnomies.
You don't know me.
Gnome, sweet gnome.
Oh, that's a good one. I'm too sexy and you know it. That's
Oh my God. You win.
Woo! So this is called Gnome Hill, the land of the little people. Oh, so cute.
I only would have known.
Ah, too late. You thought I was lying about Justin Bieber? Well, we found him. He is right there, right behind me. You want to say hi?
I should have known you would have liked that.
This trail was very peaceful and quiet.
very enjoyable ride on a beautiful day.
A lot of great history, interesting stories, cute little village town, including the Gnome village. On our way, Gnome. Hope to see you riding.